This is a tutorial on how to beat Can You Escape Level 7. Go to the pad on the elevator, collect the keys. Go to this side of the room and use the keys to unlock the door. Collect the scissors and the charger. Go to the box, collect the strings, and use the scissors to open the box. Collect this. Go over to the sheet music and collect the ball. Combine the ball and the charger. Go over here and put that on the charger. Go to the box and put this on the box. Go to the guitar and put the strings on it. Move these to where they look like this. Then you have to press the music notes in a certain order. This is the order. First, second, third, first, third, second, first, last, and then the very last one. And then you will see a code on the charger. The code is 429. Use the code to open the elevator. 429. You have just beat level 7.